Hey guys, it's me Kruta, and today and tomorrow we are doing a little one-night loop around some beautiful little peaks, and everything is green with the spring. The weather is finally nice. I have some hot dogs that I'm gonna make for dinner. Isn't that yummy? Not really. And this should be a little preparation for my 5-day backpacking trip. What a gem. So pretty here. Straight to uphill as usual. Very weird weather. Hot and cold at the same time. We had like over 25 degrees Celsius heat wave in April. Well, it's almost June now. And it's barely 15. It might drop close to freezing tonight, so I had to bring my chunky book. Chunky book. That's what happens when you put together bag and boy, chunky bug. Yes, beautiful day indeed. It is things like this that always surprise me, because you cannot read this from a map, right? You gotta go and experience the trail. There's always hidden gems like these. Always. Yeah, I'm trying something different today. I bought an action cam because I really got tired of carrying that big chunky boy of a camera. This setup saves me almost 2 kilograms. That's a lot. And also, in a week, I have a 5-day backpacking trip, and there was no way I was going to bring that big boy again. No way. Imagine living here. I mean, they do have electricity, so that's good. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This is quite beautiful. It is time to food. I'm starving. Waffles and coffee time. The best time. You know, it's been a while since I had this combo. I haven't been hiking much lately. I did some hikes. I did 2 backpacking trips, and I've bailed on both. One bad. One was because of the dog. The second one was because of some health issues. That's also why I haven't been hiking much at all. I also brought sour strips. I can feel the energy going back. It is chilly. Holy moly. And it's beautiful. Most other people would say, it's just a forest, you know. Not for me. I can find beauty in every forest. No matter how unique or not. We are at this point where we have to go down so we can go back up again. Whoa. That's a cool tree. Let's check that out. This is quite the tree. All of these are. My friend, it's gonna be alright. Back on the paved road for a bit, but that's soon about to change. We're going up, so I'm gonna do a little breakers. There should be a little stream where supply my water. Of course, when I don't have the big camera, I get lucky with wildlife. Water time, and then it's final push for today. Well, this down here used to be a quarry of some sorts, but used to, that's a key word. Okay, we met our goal for today. Let's find a decent spot and call it a day. I mean, it is kind of uneven, and I don't know. I'm gonna hike a bit further. If I don't find anything better, I will come back. It doesn't hold well. The ground is full of rocks. So I found different spot, but I'm having space issues, so it literally just started raining. It's not completely bad, just not that good either, so like I said, I brought the big boy, the chunky boy. These were supposed to be my hot dogs. I mean, I will make it work, but They did not survive. Only had these small boys at home. Somehow, most of my ketchup is gone. I don't want to be rude, but they are not doing well. I think these are about done. Let's put on some water now. Let's use the sausage. Isn't that yummy? Well, not really. Cheers though. It's good though. There's no life without chocolate. Cheers. So I slept really well, although maybe because it's been a while I did have some difficulties falling asleep. It took a while, but when I finally fell asleep I slept like a baby. Up and down, down and up. We go in there. See you in a bit. Looks like winds did number here. I had to change into shorts. It's a lot warmer today. Feels good. Oh yeah. These are probably the last views of today. And they are damn good. Let me tell you. Mornings are so nice out in the nature. The night was so calm and very chilly. I was very glad I brought the chunky boy, the chunky bog. Like I said in some of my last videos, this is technically the only area where you could run into a bear. The eastern border with Slovakia, but it's extremely rare. There are like 2 to 4 sightings every year. Like paradise to me. There's that weird dog again. What a beautiful little village. around. Alright guys, we are almost at the end of this adventure. Like I said, I'm trying something different with this action cam. We'll see how this turns out. Hopefully good. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I've got plans for this summer. So stay tuned. The 5-day trip is coming very soon. See ya. Last goodbye uphill. At least it's in the shade. Yeah. So pretty. What type of dog breed is that?